We all dream in every color, searching for something bigger. And there's a fire deep inside that's getting ready to ignite. We can believe if we open our eyes. Out from the darkness we reach for the light. There is no limit, we aim for the sky. No hill we can't climb. Our dreams come alive.
Hi Shana! Happy 7th birthday! This is Ate. Wish ko lang sa'yo is sana lumaki ka na mabait, marespeto at masipag. Yan lang. Happy birthday!
Shana, sana maging matalino ka at sana mabait ka sa magulang mo at sana mas mabait ka pa sa lola at lola mo.
I wish you a happy birthday and more birthday to come. I love you.
I love you,
Shana.
Ayun, happy birthday, Shana. Enjoy mo yung araw mo. Lumaki ka mabait at mapagmahal sa kapwa.
Happy birthday, Shana! We love you! Aral maigi and susunod kay mami tsaka kay daddy palagi. Tsaka maging mabuting bata palagi.
Aral ka maigi, basta tatandaan mo na di lang kami nandito para sa'yo.
Love ka namin. Love ka ng mga ninang.
Through highs and lows and every struggle, we scale these walls and jump through hurdles. There's no surrender, no defeat. We will conquer fearlessly. We can believe if we open our eyes. Out from the darkness we reach for the light. There is no limit, we aim for the sky. No hill we can't climb. Our dreams come alive.
Happy birthday, baby! Sana maging masunurin ka kay mami at daddy. Lagi lang kayo mag-love-love ni ate. Huwag kayong mag-aaway. Love na love ka namin. Alam mo yan. Lumaki kang mabuting bata. Mag-aral mabuti, anak.
Wish ko lagi nga na maging mabuting bata ka. Maging magalang, masunurin, mapagmahal sa magulang at sa kapatid. Lagi mong tatandaan na magbigay respeto sa kapwa. Maging mapagkumbaba. Mahal na mahal ka namin lahat. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.